What if I told you there's a real competitor to Jetboil that won't wreck your wallet? I've been using different types of camping stoves and a Blackstone setup for months now, but after months of searching for something more compact and more affordable than a Jetboil, I finally found the one, and I'll be giving one away. So let me show you. Okay, so let me show you what we have in the box. First of all, we have our instructions, a little instruction manual, a nice looking cover for the camp stove. We have our gas regulator, and of course, Cofiyard stove. Now let's unfold this and see how it actually works. Right out of the box, this thing is impressive. It folds down small, it's lightweight, and the setup only takes a few seconds. It has 2 burners, solid control knobs, and it just feels durable, not cheap. So Jetboil, you have some competition actually. Now, all you have to do to open this, you pull this little rubber piece. It has 3 little leggies on both sides, and you just simply open it up, and voila, you can start cooking. Right, now that we have everything unboxed, let's connect the gas regulator. Connect the gas. I'm going to be using my 5-pound propane tank that I use on all my Overland adventures. You can simply push this down here, screw it in, and I'm going to leave this piece up. Just like that. Don't over tighten it so you don't break it. Let's get cooking. So I'm getting ready to cook some rice. One of my favorite meals, my Overland meals, is rice with shrimp. As you can see, this is a 10-inch pot, and it fits really nicely on top of the burner, and it's connected to our 5-pound propane tank. You can also use the little small 1-pound green tanks. You can get them anywhere. Let me show you how simple it is to turn this on. You simply just turn the knob, and you have that little flicker here. You flick it, and now it's on. You can adjust it. You can actually hear it, how powerful it is. Or you can keep turning it until you get the right adjustment. So it's just like the Jetboil. Let's put the rice on top and start cooking it. Alright, so the way I cook rice is I put a little bit of oil in the pot and heat up the oil. That way your rice doesn't stick to the pan later. Now we're going to cook 1 cup of rice and add 2 cups of water. So the oil is starting to heat up, and we're just about to dump the water in. It's going to start splashing, but that's okay. Two cups of water. Now let's see how fast this is going to boil the water. I'm going to put a timer on, and let's see. So let me give you a quick price comparison between a Jetboil stove and a Cofiyard stove. Jetboil is around $350 and Cofiyard is around $70. Same foldable setup, same performance. You decide what's worth it. And we are at 4 minutes and 15 seconds. So it's boiling pretty quick. It's a pretty powerful stove. Now what we're going to do is we're going to dump our rice. It's already washed. 1 cup of rice. Cover it up. And now we're going to set a timer for 30 minutes. And while we wait 30 minutes for our rice to be ready, we're going to watch some RD Overland on YouTube. Alright, the rice should be cooked by now. 30 minutes is up. Let's see. There's our white rice. Let's close it back up so the heat doesn't escape. And we're going to turn it off and start cooking the shrimp. Alright, now that the rice is done, we're going to cook the shrimp. So it's going to be a simple recipe. Our shrimp, We're gonna have some Irish butter, some garlic, and some Bayou Cajun seasoning. We're gonna dump that all in here and cook it for a short period of time. The shrimp is already cooked. You don't want to overcook it. And it's just so easy to start it with that one flick of the finger. Now I like to put a good amount of butter on my shrimp. Set that aside. I'm going to melt the butter. We are also going to put some garlic. Gonna smash it up and dump it in here. Oh, it's already smelling good. Garlic is the key here too. Okay. Melt the butter with the garlic. I'm gonna dump the Cajun seasoning. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Now it smells like seafood boil. Right, now that this is boiling, we're gonna put shrimp in there. Oh yeah. Dump it in here and stir it up. Get all that seasoning on it. Cover it up for a minute. Okay, so after about 2 or 3 minutes of cooking the shrimp, again, like I said, you don't want to overcook them. This is the final outcome right here. Now we're going to put some rice on the plate, some shrimp, and have a nice meal. All right, our meal is done. Look at this. This is restaurant quality food cooked on the Cofiyard camp stove. This is a competitor to Jetboil, and you know what? I think I would choose this one over Jetboil, even though Jetboil is really, really good and a reputable company. For about 85 bucks, I think, you can get yourself this awesome stove, and you don't have to spend $400 on a Jetboil. It has the same exact controllers. It does the same exact thing. Again, I highly recommend it. So this is it. I'm going to sit over here. I'm going to enjoy my food, and I'll see you guys on the next video.